The first step in making your CO2 car is drawing the wood block. So I open up a new part and I begin making the block. The block of wood is 12 inches wide. It's 2.75 inches tall. The front of it is 0.75 inches tall. And you also need to make an extrusion for the hole. The hole in the back is 0.8 inches in diameter. It is 1.375 inches from the bottom, and it is 0.75 inches from the side. I begin the sketch. I put it on the XY plane. As I was just saying, you grab your line tool. The wood block is 12 inches wide. I'm going to zoom out and move it over here. Grab another line, 2.75 inches tall. The other line at the front is 0.75 inches. Then I'm going to connect them. I'm going to extrude this 1.5 inches. There's my car so far. I'm going to pivot this around. I'm going to make a sketch on the back to extrude the hole. You're going to use the circle tool. In order to use the circle tool, you click where you want the middle to be. You extend it out. Right now it's asking me for the diameter, which was 0.8. I dimension from the bottom to the center, 1.375. I did that because it's the middle of 2.75. And this dimension is 0.75. That hole is done correctly. Now I'm going to hit extrude. Click on that hole. I want to cut it out. It needs to go 2 inches into the wood block. Press OK. For the rest of your car, you are going to use this wood block. All right? Now you're going to make your front view. In order to see the hole for the CO2 tank, you need to adjust some settings. So you're going to go to View, Visual Styles, Shaded with Hidden Edges. Now that pops up. I'm going to make a very basic front view. So I'm going to start a sketch. The first thing you need to do is put your axle holes. They are 0.125 inches in diameter. I'm going to put one right there. I'm going to put one right there. And they need to be 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. So dimension from the bottom, you might have to zoom in. 0.25. From here to here, 0.25. And that looks fine. Now I'm going to use the arc tool. You haven't used that before, but you click where you want it to start, you click where you want it to end, and you can move where you want to place it. I'm going to make another arc here. Make this one touch the bottom. And maybe I want to cut out a little chunk right here. Now you also need to complete the path. So I need to go all the way around this. Oops, I went outside of the thing right there. Go all the way around this. And now I need to extrude it. Crowley! Crowley! Stop. Sorry that was loud. Go to extrude. Now sometimes you can't click on the other things. You can only click on your car, and this is kind of what I want to have happen. You click on your car, and there's a third extrusion. This one right here. It deletes everything but what you highlighted. Then you hit OK. Top view you make from the bottom. The bell might ring, but stay here. And I'm going to make that shape, make that shape. If you get this far this week, you're good to go.